Spring Farmhouse Tablescape. Tablescape Tuesdays is a favorite of mine and is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. The guest host this week is Creations by Simone. Be sure to give thumbs up to these awesome women and subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels. The link is in the description box below for their channels. In addition, follow all of the other wonderful collaborators and like, save, comment, and subscribe to their channels. The link to the playlist is #Tablescape Tuesdays 23. This is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Today, I will show how to put together a tablescape from DIYs that is farmhouse inspired. So be sure to grab a cup of tea, coffee, or your choice of beverage. Sit back and enjoy. It is always great to start with a nice clean table before putting your tablescape together. I made 4 jute placemat chargers that was in my previous YouTube collaborations recreation inspiration, so you may want to take a look at that. It is made with jute by starting with a circle and continuing using hot glue until you get the size needed. They are put on the table for a start to a beautiful setting. Next, I have some plain white plates from Dollar Tree. I chose them because they have a neutral background and allows the blue salad plates to be the star. The salad plates are from LTD Replacement and are the Adeline Blue and White Floral with Birds collection. The plates have a scalloped edge, and it is a good idea to place them on the white plates, facing them all in the same direction. A nice cotton or linen napkin is used for this tablescape. Bright yellow napkins were chosen to complement the blue salad plate. The napkins are threaded through the DIY napkin ring for a nice spring look. The napkin rings were made from 6-ounce tomato paste can, and the mold was used to make a decal for the front of the napkin ring. Moving along, I used wooden egg holders as placeholders and used gold rub on initial to make it special. I used real eggshells to house full flowers with a hint of blue in front of each plate. I used white silverware to reflect the white in the plates, napkin rings, and coasters. The coasters are painted with white acrylic paint, and a blue floral paper circle was used to complement the color and the pattern of the salad plate. The egg holder and napkin ring was another DIY that went with the farmhouse aesthetic, so be sure to check out the Recreation Inspiration collaboration. The glassware was placed on top of the painted terracotta coasters with a hint of blue card stock paper showing at the bottom of the glass stem. I can see this being used in a garden tablescape. Now for the star of the show. I made a wooden holder that was used to put candles on top. However, now I am using them as a peat pot centerpiece. These peat pots have a bird's nest decoupage napkins on the front and back in order to be seen from both sides of the table. I also put real plants to give it that garden, modern farmhouse feel. I have not seen a tablescape like this, and this is just my take on a modern, down on the farm look. I think it looks pretty and unpretentious. So let me know what your thoughts are. Well, that is all, Z9 Design family. I'm so glad you stopped by to see what I have made. I am almost to 900. Thanks to your support and generous spirit. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment so you're entered into the drawing. I will pick a winner in about a week after I reach 900. And remember, there'll also be a giveaway when I reach 1,000. So check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And remember, faith makes all things possible, and love makes all things easy. This is by Dwight L. Moody. So I will see you later. Bye-bye.